In 1990, my best friend Tim Wright and I were both out of work and trying to decide what to do with ourselves, not really excited about having jobs, and we decided to open a motorcycle shop. Seemed like the thing to do. So we nailed up the sign August 8th of 1990, and things have been muddling along fine ever since. Tim, the experience of being underfunded and over-enthusiastic. I'm not paper trained as a mechanic. I never went to a school for it. I learned the first part of everything I know, which is still most of everything I know, from a fellow in San Antonio named Lem Miller, who used to own a motorcycle shop. Pretty much have no interest in anything except BMW air-cooled engines. Before I opened the shop, yes, I've been riding airheads for years. I bought my first airhead in 1985, so I've been riding them for 5 years. I am a paper-trained archaeologist. In fact, I even published as an undergraduate, so I can count myself among the ranks of the real archaeologists, whatever that means. That means, what that really means in today's market is, as a bachelor degree level archaeologist, I could probably work at HEB if I didn't have this place to work. A lot of what's in here is inventory that came from a business called Airhead Salvage that I bought out in 2010. The other third of it is just, you know, what happens if you stay in this for a long time and you're not careful. I'm guessing in this building there's probably in the neighborhood of 20, I suppose. Bikes, yeah, 20 bikes, and I do have, you know, a little collection of old Hondas from the 60s that I'm pretty fond of, but I don't really do any Honda work. Every now and then I'll sell my friends parts for Hondas, but for the most part that stuff I'm just having. I do have a lot of stuff, and everything must go to make room for the new stuff that I haven't even met yet. Really, the only real advertising in this kind of business, especially for motorcycles, happens probably mostly at gas pumps. A fellow riding down the street sees a guy riding the same kind of bike as him. They stop, they talk. If I'm doing everything right and they're riding old BMWs, my name comes up in the first 10 minutes.